In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Under Armour promo codes. So let's get started. So Under Armour is a clothing shop and sports shop. So first of all, you're gonna go over to your web browser and search up Under Armour promo code. And once that is done, you're gonna scroll down until you see the website CNN coupons. So you're gonna click on that website. You're gonna wait for the website to load. So once the website is loaded, you're gonna see many codes here. So as you guys can see, these are for September 2023, so for this month. And the first one is get a 25% off with this coupon code. So to redeem it, you have to click on it. It's gonna show you a code. So this is the code U825. Then you can copy the code, which is gonna copy it. Then you can click go to store, which is gonna take you to the store, and then you can choose your products you wanna buy, and you can use this code at checkout for a 25% discount. And on top of that, you're also gonna get free shipping with it, so it's double win. So then you're gonna see other codes as well. For example, get 15% off Under Armour with this promo code. So whenever you sign up on their website, you're automatically gonna get an email which is gonna have a code for a 15% off. So all you have to do is go to their website and sign up for that. Then I'm gonna head to some other website and show you a few more codes. Next, you can head over to this website, Retail Me Not. Alright, so once you're on this website, there's this code free shipping on orders above $50, so you can click on that. So as you can see, that's the code for that, free ship 50, and whenever you spend above $50, you're gonna get free shipping. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.